Good morning, esteemed scholars and curious minds. Today, we embark on a journey into the mind of one of ancient philosophy's lesser known but profoundly impactful figures, Anaxarchus of Abdera. In today's lecture, we will not only explore the core tenets of his philosophy, but we will also unravel its significance for both his contemporaries and our modern discourse on reality, perception, and skepticism. Historical context. To truly grasp Anaxarchus' philosophy, we must first understand his world. Living during the 4th century BCE, Anaxarchus was a close companion of Alexander the Great. This was a period of immense upheaval and intellectual exploration. The conquest of Alexander exposed Greek thinkers to an array of cultures, beliefs, and philosophies, catalyzing a melting pot of ideas. The bedrock, atomism and indeterminacy. At the foundation of Anaxarchus' thought lies his commitment to atomism, which he inherited from Democritus. Atomism, as some of you might know, posits that the universe is composed of indivisible units or atoms. However, Anaxarchus introduced a radical twist to this theory, emphasizing the inherent indeterminacy of things. For Anaxarchus, things in themselves neither are nor are not in any particular way. What does this mean? It's just that our perceptions, our senses, cannot grasp the ultimate nature of things. Reality, in its essence, eludes human categorization. Challenging perception. This is where Anaxarchus strikes a chord with modern philosophical skepticism. Imagine the world of phenomena as a grand theater. The things we see, hear, touch, or taste are but actors on a stage, presenting themselves to us in various guises. But can we truly know these actors? Anaxarchus, presaging the likes of Descartes, Hume, and even Kant, would argue no. Consider his famous episode with Pyrrho, where they encountered a pig being washed away in the mud. While everyone perceived it as a tragedy, Anaxarchus remarked, "It is not the pig that is mired, but only our opinion." What Anaxarchus was hinting at is a foundational aspect of epistemology, the gulf between perception and reality. He questioned the veracity of our senses to deliver truth. You may ask, why is this significant? First, Anaxarchus' assertions demand from us a humility in our claims to knowledge. In an era dominated by fake news and subjective realities, a return to Anaxarchian skepticism might just be the antidote we need. Secondly, his thought bridges Eastern and Western philosophies. His travels with Alexander brought him into contact with Indian thought. One can't help but see the parallels between his skepticism and the doctrines of Maya in Hindu philosophy, which posits the world as an illusion. In conclusion, while Anaxarchus may not be a household name like Plato or Aristotle, his contributions to the realm of philosophy are profound. By challenging the very foundations of our belief, by introducing indeterminacy into atomism, and by emphasizing the fallibility of perception, he invites us to engage with the world with curiosity, skepticism, and humility. I invite you to reflect upon the world of Anaxarchus as you navigate our complex world. For in grappling with uncertainty, we inch ever closer to wisdom. Thank you.